Okay, so today we will learn how you can create automated videos with the help of voiceovers you have generated through generative AI. Right. First thing first, if you have a Google spreadsheet where you are actually fetching the data from, just connect it with your Google Sheet trigger and then fetch the data from your Google Sheet. So for example, in our sheet, we have voiceover link, media 1234, BG music link, and final URL, etc., with voiceover link. So that will fetch the moment a new row added to the Google Sheet. Next, we have an HTTP request where we are sending it to audio to video API endpoint on Eernol. Similar header auth with Eernol API, which we have explained in our previous videos. Now, what we are doing is we are passing voiceover URL here, width and height of the final video you want from this composition. After that, you have to provide the segments. So let's say the voiceover is 40 seconds long, right? So first 0 to 5 second media 1, then 6 to 18 second media 2, 19 to 29 second media 3, and then the last one 30 to 40 second media 4. That is how we are going to compose it. Once this request is sent, we will get the status of the job. Obviously, we are waiting before it and then get the status, and then we will check it. If it is completed, then we go to the next node, which is adding the intro to the video. Now we already have an intro video URL here, which we have provided here, but you can use the add intro node from Eernol and then just supply this dynamically from the previous nodes. And then after that, again, check the status of the job. Once the status is checked, this is the final URL of the final video. So let's have a look how the video looks like. Okay, so here's the video, the intro running. There you go. The background voiceover is here with the video, and then the next video, and then it runs until the point where we have defined it, and then the next media file, etc. In order to make this video more better, you can also go to the API endpoint like background audio and then add a background music to it, another node which you can literally add on top of here. And then you can add captions again once this is done, the third node here. And then you can add I think zoom to zoom it out and in different segments. There you go. So this is how you create videos using voiceovers on automation with Renault. If you have any other question, let me know in the comments.